frequented by huge crowds of tourists and pilgrims. Kangra Valley predominantly lies in the state of Himachal Pradesh in India. It is one of the Himachal's most beautiful valleys. The next one is the Great Himalayas or Himadri. This is the most continuous, loftiest, and northernmost range of the Himalayas. The snow clad mountain ranges rise in height up to 6,000 meters and are covered with snow. Many peaks exceed 8,000 meters. It is a source of a large number of glaciers of varying dimensions. When I say glacier, it refers to a huge mass of moving ice. Though it is described as the longest range, it is not continuous because a large number of rivers originating in the north of this range cut across and form deep gorges and move towards the south. However, compared to the other two Himalayan ranges, the Himadri is more massive. The Great Himalayan Range run in a northwest to southeast direction in the western part. Behind these ranges lies the Jhaskar Range. The Jhaskar Range is a mountain range in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir that separates Jhaskar from Ladakh. Geologically, the Jhaskar Range is a part of the Tethys Himalayas. The next one is the Trans Himalayan Ranges. They are about 40 kilometers wide and 965 kilometers long. It consists of Karakoram, Ladakh, and Kailash Range. The Karakoram Range is located in the northern part of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is one of the major ranges of Himalayan system. It is the home of the highest concentration of peaks rising over 8,000 meters. K2 is the second highest peak in the world and the highest peak in India. It runs for a distance of 500 kilometers and is heavily glaciated part of the world outside the polar region. The next one is the Ladakh range. It is more or less like a huge high altitude plateau region. It is located between the Karakoram range and the main Himalayan range. It lies in the rain shadow area. The entire Ladakh region can be described as a cold desert. The next one is the Kailash range. Now, this range lies entirely outside Indian territory. The Kailash Peak and Mansarovar are the prime attraction for pilgrims. From west to east, the Himalayas are divided broadly into three mountainous regions that are western, central, and eastern. The western Himalayas extend from the Indus River in the west to Kali River along the Nepal border in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. The western Himalayas can be further divided on the basis of regions such as Kashmir Himalayas, Himachal Himalayas, Punjab Himalayas, and Kumaon Himalayas. The next one is the Central Himalayas. It stretches between river Kali to river Testa. The major part of Central Himalayas is covered by Nepal. Its eastern part is called the Sikkim Himalayas and the Darjeeling Himalayas. The Eastern Himalayas. It stretches between the Teesta and Brahmaputra. It occupies the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The Eastern Himalayas are also called Arunachal Himalayas. The Eastern Himalayas have a number of passes. Jalipla in Sikkim and Bumla in Arunachal Pradesh are main routes to the Tibetan capital Lhasa. After learning the main Himalayan ranges, we shall learn about the associated mountains. Now, the hill ranges running in the north south direction along the Myanmar border are called Purvanchal. As they form the easternmost part of the country, they are called Purvanchal. They run through the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. As a result of the eastward movement of the Indo Australian plate, we find that a series of hills have developed in this region. From north to south, these hills are referred by different names. Like we have Patkoi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, Naga Hills in Nagaland, Manipur Hills in Manipur, and Lushai Hills in Mizoram. The highest peak of Naga Hills is Saramati Peak, which is 3,826 meters.